I didn't have any welding experience, but I do enjoy working with my hands. I always have been since I was a little girl, like helping my dad out in his garage.
So the first thing we teach them here is the basics, how to strike an arc, how to produce a weld bead.
If I'd mess up, they'd be right there to let me know, tell me how to fix it, how to go about it.
It's very valuable to have these amazing instructors come out and tell you which ways you can better yourself and if you're doing something wrong.
You actually are more hands-on here. You learn everything from scratch and then you put it together.
You're nervous that you're not going to be good enough, or you're like, what if I'm not as good as everybody else? But after a few weeks, like, you just kind of feel at home.
And maybe this sounds old-fashioned, but the student comes through our doors and they kind of become part of our family.
And we have students, we have a lot of success stories. And it makes you feel good.
The number one enjoyment comes from finding success.
I knew someone that just graduated from Allstate, and he spoke very highly of it. So I was like, you know what, I might as well just give it a try.
So they could get a good career. And I try to lead them on a path where you're gonna have an entry-level welding position.
It's a good career. All my family knows about it, so they're proud. You should just go and do it, figure it out. It is only like a program, and you can carry that with you for the rest of your life, you know?
Safe roads, safe bridges, safe automobiles, safe semi-trucks. The world needs welding, and we need good people.